Hello, today we're going to be making moose stew, my variant. Basic ingredients, and something easy to do in the slow cooker. Cubed up moose, potatoes, carrots, onions, and instead of wine or broth, a can of beer. I've got a little bit of homemade rub mix that I stir up on the cubed up moose before I brown it, and put everything in the slow cooker and let everything work for the day. Right here in a large clean bowl, I've got cubed up moose, no gristle, it's all cleaned up, and I've got a small package here, roughly about 1.5 pounds. Here I've taken the liberty of making my own mix ahead of time of powdered iced tea, garlic powder, coriander, pink sea salt, and fine ground fresh black pepper. So here I'll give everything a liberal coating and I'll work it all in. This will give it a little bit of extra flavor to it, because we're going to brown this in a skillet before we put it into our slow cooker. Alright, now that we've got our pan heated up, we're going to use some extra virgin olive oil. And to reduce the heat on this for the cooking, we're going to add some butter to get even more flavor. About that much. And here all we're going to be doing is caramelizing the outside of the meat. We're not cooking it thoroughly. That'll all be done in the slow cooker. As you've seen here, I've got a good liberal coating of my dry rub all over my meat. And it's just a matter of putting it all in. And this will all brown evenly. Make sure everything gets turned over. And with the sugar and the iced tea and everything in here, it's going to give it a sweet flavor. It's going to caramelize very fast. So while that's cooking, simply take your onions. Just a matter of taking your onions while your meat is cooking. Just slice them up. It doesn't have to be pretty, just rough. And here you're going to be making a bed for your meat to sit in your slow cooker with the onions as your base layer. And as in other videos, I've taken a little bit of oil on a paper towel, get my slow cooker wiped down so it's easier for cleanup. I'll get my onions laid out in the bottom of the slow in here. Just open them up. You're creating a bed so everything sits in there, so it doesn't stick to the bottom, but you're incorporating the flavors of the onion as well. So hopefully we'll get a picture of this. It doesn't take a whole lot of onions to get a good bed in there. And our meat here, as it cooks up, you see it's going caramelized quite quickly. Doesn't take long. It's got iced tea and sugar and pepper. And here you're just sealing in a good part of the flavor into the meat. You're not doing a complete cook through. Once again, this will be in the slow cooker for the whole day. And I'm sure I'll have Cooper drooling in the house here with the smell of everything. So. And if any of you want the recipe for the dry rub that I used, yes, I stole it. BarbecueU.net. That's where I got the recipe for this. It's actually a chicken recipe for the rub. While this is cooking over, I'll get my potatoes just roughly cubed up. This isn't going to be a long video. It's just to give you an idea of what goes into a rough stew here. Something simple, something easy. Great on those cool fall days that are soon approaching. While you're gone to work, everything will be cooking away for you for the day. Anybody can do it. Single guys. And it's great. The more it's in the oven for the day, and after that your leftovers get better and better every day. And around here the leftovers don't last too long. Alright, so here you see that it didn't take a whole lot of time. Everything's been caramelized. It's got a good coating. We'll take off the heat. And we're just going to take everything, oils, butter, everything right into the pot for the slow cooker, right in the middle. While that was cooking, you heard me chopping, taking the liberty of taking my potatoes, rough chopped after I washed them. Give myself a good layer of potatoes. That's the equivalent of roughly 3 medium to small potatoes. There. Then I'll add my carrots, which won't take me too long here. I'll just rough chop my carrots, bite-sized portions. And here it's just roughly the equivalent of 1 large carrot that I'm going to add. Because I've already seasoned my meat, I don't have to add any extra salt or pepper at this point. And here, again, I'll just take my 1 carrot, put it in here evenly all the way around. The carrot is the most dense part of this whole thing, so it's going to take the longest amount of time to cook. And here, I'll just get us a little bit closer here. Sorry for the bouncy camera. And here, 1 whole can of beer. Whatever beer you want. This happens to be it. This is what I have left. Some people are going to add wine at this point. Chicken stock, beef stock. The beer just gives it a different kind of a flavor. And that's all you need. 1 can of beer. No water, nothing else to go into there. And this is going to go in the slow cooker like it is on a slow setting for the entire day. 6 to 7 hours, and then you've got your entire meal done. You got your protein, you got your vegetables, you got your starch, all in 1 pan. Sure, a couple hours later, we're going to give this a good stir again. Make sure everything is evenly coated. As you see, 1 can of beer is a lot of moisture to add. You didn't have to add any extra water. We're just going to make sure everything is covered here. And while we're at it, we're going to sneak a piece for taste test. Now here we go. Our potatoes are done. Our carrots are semi-soft. Everything's had a chance to cook all day long. We're going to get ready and get a good generous plate going here. Get some potatoes, some meat. Make sure we get some carrots and some onions. If you want to turn the beer into a thicker gravy, you can pull some out, add a little bit of cornstarch to it, thicken things up. But for myself, I'm just going to take it like this and enjoy. The rest of this I'll be able to use for leftovers during the week, pack some lunches. definitely won't go bad. And there you go. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of horseradish on the side, whichever way you want it. Enjoy.